BTBT Stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Ultimately looking at digital, digital stock. I mean, with a proper, let's zoom out, you know, because this might seem like so bearish, but weekly might not be it, right? Yeah, okay, 10% increase. Beforehand, I looked to buy here, and that was nice. You can see here's the before. Not only did that deliver, it came down. I looked to take it one more time up. This also kind of well sort of delivered, and then I began here. For me, this is like such a great setup here because I already see like a double break. So there's nothing stopping me from just doubling down more in this long side. And all I'm going to look to practically do, let's just put it here. It's my demand. Only if I do see it pulling down and give me a double break, then I'm buying. If not, it's all pure noise. So we'll continue to keep you updated. If you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free email.